Welcome to Play Digital Signage Tutorials. In this tutorial, we take a closer look at the audit log. Let's start by opening the profile menu and then click Audit Log. The audit log is two different logs. One is all the stuff that happens in your team, and the other is generally a list that shows you when you logged in. If your login was blocked or if you failed to log in. The team log shows you a bunch of information: actions, the user, the IP address, the origin country, what browser the user was using, and when it happened. So, for example, here you see that the screen called Windows downloaded the latest content. And here you see that the screen called On was published just 5 minutes ago. You also see that a new screen called Android OS was linked 12 minutes ago, and what user linked it. The user log will show me when I logged in, my IP address, origin country, what browser I used, and the time of the event. If I scroll a bit down, I see events like failed login, password authentication failure, and if my login was blocked. That was all for today. Thanks for listening.